आपने न्यू कार ले ली है। अब सब बोल रहे होंगे कि पीपीएफ करवा लो। ये पीपीएफ क्या भला है? कैसा होता है ये पीपीएफ? करवाना ज़रूरी है? कितने का होता है? ये सारे सवाल आपके मन में चल रहे होंगे। अगर आपको अपनी कार की अपीयरेंस बॉदर करती है एंड यू आर वरीड अबाउट चिप्स एंड स्क्रैचेस, वी हैव अ सोल्यूशन फॉर यू। पेंट को प्रोटेक्ट करने के कई तरीके हैं, लाइक टेफ्लॉन कोटिंग, सेरामिक कोटिंग, वैक्सिंग, बफिंग एंड व्हाट नॉट। Hey guys, welcome to Go Mechanic, and today we'll talk about making your car look new for many years to come and the best way to do it. हम बात कर रहे हैं about PPF यानी कि Paint Protection Film। पिछले 5 सालों में पीपीएफ की पॉपुलैरिटी काफ़ी बढ़ चुकी है। ये काफ़ी नामों से जाना जाता है, जैसे कि क्लियर ब्रा, बिकनी रैप, स्क्रैच प्रोटेक्शन फिल्म एंड व्हाट नॉट। ये सारे नाम एक ही चीज़ को डिफाइन करते हैं, जो कि एक इनविजिबल प्लास्टिक लाइक फिल्म विच इटसेल्फ इज अ पॉलीयूरेथेन फिल्म। इन द बिगिनिंग पीवीसी पीपीएफ मार्केट में आई, बट इट इज़ नो लॉन्गर इन ट्रेंड। आज के टाइम में पीपीएफ दो टाइप की होती हैं, टीपीयू एंड टीपीएच। टीपीयू इज अ लिटिल बिट cheaper and last up to 4 to 5 years, while TPH is a bit more expensive and can last up to 7 to 10 years. PPF is also distinguished in terms of thickness, which ranges from 120 microns to 200 microns. Generally, a thicker PPF is considered better. Today, PPF is widely available, more advanced and better than its previous versions, and offers superior protection. Also, many brands like 3M, Lumar, Suntech launched PPF with self-healing technology and hydrophobic coating. To protect your automotive paint, choosing the right PPF is very essential. ये जानना भी ज़रूरी है कि सारे PPF सेम नहीं होते. Some are simply more advanced and better than others. Here at Go Mechanic, we provide the best quality PPF at the best price. You get 5-year warranty on yellowing, peeling and scratching with a free pickup and drop service. What else? You also get a complimentary interior spa and a 15% off. There are many pros associated with having a PPF on your car. It provides a barrier between the paint and external source of damage like tree branches, rock chips, road debris. If your car brushes with other car or any other object in a tight parking spot. It also helps to provide a shield against bug splatter, bird droppings and other natural contaminants. Swirl marks by dusting, and it prevents the paint from fading or oxidizing. Now we come to the USP of PPF, which is self-healing. Self-healing PPF में additional layer होती है and they are made up of different composition. It regains its finish after a minor scuff or scratch. जब किसी चीज से आपकी कार पे स्क्रैच लग जाता है तो self-healing film changes its shape and is in a disturbed state. When exposed to a heat source जैसे sunlight or even the engine heat, the film goes back to its original shape and scratch literally गायब हो जाता है. Basically, this means the film needs no maintenance after its application, as it doesn't show scratches over time. Also, because of the additional clear coat, आपकी गाड़ी की शाइन मेंटेन रहती है. However, ये बात दिमाग में रखिएगा, PPF can save your paint to a certain extent. In case of a minor scuff or scratch on the PPF, it can be buffed out. But in case of a dent, you have to repair the panel, repaint it, and then do the PPF again. Thanks to the hydrophobic effect, ceramic coating से आपकी कार का gloss maintained रहता है. But if you want a scratch-free car, PPF is advised. आप PPF के ऊपर ceramic coating कर सकते हैं, but you cannot apply PPF on a ceramic coated car. Also, some PPF come pre-ceramic coated. अगर बजट थोड़ा कम है तो PPF can be applied on vulnerable parts like bumpers, fenders, boot lid, rear bumper. Less prone areas like quarter panels, roof and door pillars can be left without the PPF treatment, or you can do ceramic coating on them. As a workaround, you can mix and match two different types of PPFs, regular versus self-healing, to keep the cost low. अगर आप अपनी गाड़ी को 3 या 4 साल में बेच देते हैं and you want to get the best value, a PPF installation on the whole front end is a great cost-effective option to consider. अगर आप अपनी गाड़ी लंबे समय तक रखने की सोच रहे हैं तो consider a full vehicle installation or a combination of PPF and ceramic coating. हमारी कंट्री में PPF को पहले कार पे अप्लाई किया जाता है and then we cut it through a blade. इसमें काफ़ी रिस्क इन्वॉल्व है. ब्लेड का प्रेशर बिल्कुल परफेक्ट होना चाहिए. अगर रिक्वायर्ड से ज़्यादा प्रेशर हुआ तो इट विल pierce through the film and scratch your paint. However, abroad the game has moved on. They use plotters to pre-cut the film and then apply it on your car. Badges and emblem के around PPF कट करते हुए it becomes exposed and doesn't stick properly. With time इसमें dust and debris enter हो सकती हैं and it looks nasty. I suggest you to remove the emblems if they come in the way. You can later paste it above the PPF. A very thick PPF like 200 microns can be problematic while applying and may not stick properly to a car with more edges and will come off earlier. I suggest you to use between 120 to 160 micron PPF on such a car. SUVs have more flat panels to use a thicker PPF. Remember, PPF is not a paint correction treatment but a protective film for your existing paint finish. It will not alter the finish, depth or mend existing damage. You will still need paint correction or repainting before applying PPF if it has faded. 2 या 3 सालों में आपको PPF की yellowing नज़र आ सकती है, especially if there are naked panel adjacent to the panel with PPF. A low quality PPF will also show you orange peel effect after some time. The paint panels with PPF will oxidize in a different way as compared to the panels without a PPF. Watch out for this. Ideally avoid a white or a light colored car or get the entire body covered from bumper to bumper. If you have a dark colored car, wrapping it in PPF makes a whole lot sense. About yellowing, it's a natural process with any adhesive substrate. The right way to prevent or delay yellowing is to keep putting wax on the car's PPF. This will avoid UV rays from affecting the adhesive layer. It's better to take help of a professional like Go Mechanic. Open our app and check out our detailing services using reputable brands like 3M and Meguiar's. हम recommend करते हैं कि आप PPF को 3 या 4 साल में remove कर दीजिए. It's not just discoloration, but the fact that it tends to bond permanently to your paint and one risks stripping the paint off while removing the PPF. Better to do this in a summer season than in winter, as the warmer weather will help the film to stick better to car. Ceramic coating is not compulsory, neither is PPF. But ये आपकी कार को क्लीन करना काफ़ी ईजी कर देता है as fewer contaminants bond to it. आपकी फैक्ट्री फिनिश में ग्लॉस ऐड करता है and protect your car from harmful and corrosive elements that attack it every day. शायद फ्यूचर में कार PPF के साथ आने लगे from the factory. Porsche has already started this. But for now we have to choose it ourselves if we don't want our car to look shabby after few years on the road. So this was all for this video. आशा करते हैं आपको हमारे वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. जाने से पहले इस वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, सब्सक्राइब टू आवर गो मैकेनिक चैनल and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you on next Saturday. Goodbye and happy motoring.